Hello! Today's project will be my bee yard. I will try to make it nicer so that I don't have grass growing from below the hives. From a purely building standpoint, it will be very trivial, but maybe somebody will like it who's looking to make his bee yard nicer and wants to see how other people do it. So let's get to it. If you are in any shape or form involved in designing or manufacturing verticutters, for your own sake, do not view the following footage. It's for your own good. So, this is as level I could be bothered to make it. I try to make a crisp edge so that, you know, I know exactly it meets nicely this fabric. I will, to cover this, I will use a non-woven geotextile. I'm not really sure what the correct English term is. The important part is this is not the gardening one, but rather one used for building houses and stuff around, like drainage and stuff. It's 100 grams per square meter is the weight, is the thickness of this. And yeah, so I'll just lay this on.
I'm sure everybody who has a small workshop can relate to this.
So I just quickly moved these hives onto the bee yard, and eventually there will be 6. The boards are 4 meters, and yeah, so there should be plenty of space for them, and I'm pretty happy how it turned out. The main idea here was to tidy up a little bit. I didn't like the grass growing below the hives, so that's solved once and for all. The foil will stop it. Also, I wanted an easier time mowing the lawn, so you can see the wood chips go a little bit beyond. I perhaps could have gone a little further out from the hives, but anyway, I should be able to pass in here with a ride-on mower right in front of the hives, and I don't have to come here with a weed whacker or anything. So that's very nice, and I like the way it looks. I like these wood chips. If you're wondering where to get these, go anywhere to your local sawmill, and they have this as a trash, and they will sell it to you at a very reasonable price. So I got a load of that, and yeah, the hard part is getting these in line with the whole construction. You have to beat them in, and as you are doing it, they are twisting and also moving. Now they don't stay where you started with them. But you know, other than that, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. The whole thing is level-ish, which is nice, and I've got much more space, and yeah, I like it. And I did it in one day, which is unusual for me. So that's nice. Let's go on to another project. See you guys. Bye.